Hi everyone, I'm here today with a quick tip video on how I store my embossing powders. Cheers! Let's get to it. So this is exactly how I store all of my embossing powders. This is a unit from OrganizeMore. It's the mini ink cube tray organizer, and it actually fits inside of my Alex IKEA drawers. I have a video on that. I'll link right above if you want to take a peek at my craft room. But I have several of these and use these for different purposes. They also stack on top of each other. So if you have those Alex drawer units from IKEA, you can actually get 4 per drawer if you wanted to. But let me turn this around so you can see. This is how it pretty much slides inside my drawer. So these are all embossing powders by Wow. You can tell, wow, I'm a fan. But I simply flip them upside down and store them this way so I can look at them as a color. First of all, this is a pretty sight, is it not? But this way you're able to, see what color it is. I don't really, listen, I'm lazy, all right? So I don't take the time to swatch out the lids and whatnot and put the colors on the coordinating lid. So for me, flip it over. They sit in here so nice and snug. I just love this thing. And because Wow Embossing Powders has so many different kinds of mixtures and blends, I went ahead and labeled it out on my own with my label maker. But this is it. So this is, again, is a unit from OrganizeMore. It's a mini ink cube organizer. So it stores your little mini ink cubes, your little 2x2 cubes you might have. But it also works for embossing powders too. And then you can just kind of take the tray and bring it over to your desk if you want to. So I love this. And this is exactly how I store my embossing powders. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. And please don't forget to give me a little thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also click on that notification bell and you will be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.